What if you could study any topic, machine learning, medicine, finance, and actually understand it, not just read it? I've been using NotebookLM in a way most people don't know about, and in this video, I'll show you the exact setup, 2 powerful Chrome extensions, and 9 prompts that will completely change how you learn. Stay till the end. The last part is where it gets really interesting. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about working smarter with AI tools. Let's get straight into it. Head over to notebooklm.google.com. Once you're in, click Create New and give your notebook a name. I'll call mine Machine Learning. But this works for literally any topic you're studying or researching. Now, before we go any further, let me show you 2 Chrome extensions that make this 10 times more powerful. The first extension is called YouTube to NotebookLM. I'll drop the link in the description. Install it, add it to Chrome, and refresh your page. Here's where the magic happens. Go to any YouTube video related to your topic. You'll now see a NotebookLM button right there on the video page. Click it, choose the notebook you just created, and boom, that video is now a source inside your notebook. No copy pasting, no manual work, one click. The second extension is the NotebookLM web importer, also linked in the description. Install it, add it to Chrome, and refresh your page. The free plan is more than enough. Here's how it works. Let's say you're researching machine learning. You search the topic on Google, you find a blog post or a research paper, you click into it, then go to the top right corner, click the extension, select your notebook, and hit Add to Notebook. If it says Import Now, that means it's being added in real time. Click Open Notebook and you'll see every source sitting right there, organized and ready to use. Before we touch the prompts, here's one setting most people skip, and it makes a huge difference in the quality of your answers. Go to Configure Notebook. Set the response style to Learning Guide. Set the length to longer, then hit Save. That's it. NotebookLM will now give you deeper, more structured answers from everything you've added. Don't skip this step. Alright, here are the prompts, and I want you to actually use these, not just watch. I've linked the full document in the description so you can copy them directly. Prompt 1. Big Picture Breakdown. Give me a high-level overview of the entire document broken into key themes and concepts, as if you're introducing it to someone seeing it for the first time. Think of this as asking NotebookLM to be your professor on the first day of class. It pulls from every source you've added and gives you a structured map of the entire topic, before you go deep on anything. Once it responds, save it as a note. We're building a knowledge base here. Prompt 2. Teach me like a student. Teach the content of this document step by step, starting from the basics and gradually increasing difficulty. Assume I'm learning this subject for the first time. This is the prompt that makes NotebookLM feel like a personal tutor. It doesn't dump everything on you at once. It builds your understanding layer by layer, from beginner all the way to advanced. Perfect if you're coming into a topic completely cold. Save this response as a note too. Prompt 3. Chapter by chapter lessons. Turn each section or chapter of this document into a short lesson with a clear explanation, examples, and a quick summary at the end. Instead of reading through dense material yourself, NotebookLM breaks it down chapter by chapter, with real examples and a summary you can actually remember. It's like having a study guide written specifically for your sources. Save it as a note. Once you've run all 9 prompts and saved your notes, here's a move that takes everything to the next level. Replace your sources with your own notes. Go to the left panel, delete all your original sources, then add your saved notes as the new source. Now, NotebookLM is working purely from your curated, distilled knowledge, not raw documents. Everything gets sharper, more focused. This is the step most people never think to do. Now, open up the Studio panel. This is where your study system becomes a full content machine. The first thing you want to do is create an audio overview. Click on it, and before you generate anything, set it up properly. Select Deep Dive as your format. Choose your preferred language. Set the length to long. Then, and this is important, click on Learning Paradigms before you hit Generate. Now click Generate. What NotebookLM produces is not a robotic AI voice reading bullet points at you. It generates a fully structured, podcast-style audio conversation. 2 hosts breaking down your topic, discussing it, debating it, all based entirely on your source material. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can actually join the conversation. Click on Interaction Mode, play the audio,
which in reality is just a set of mathematical rules that are actively trying to extract patterns from those ingredients.
Right. And then the actual machine learning model is the final dish.
Yeah, perfectly said. It's the result.
Right. I mean, if you're building a system
and hit Join. You're now a live participant in your own personalized podcast.
Hey, welcome. What's up?
You can ask questions, redirect the discussion, go deeper on any concept in real time. What is the difference between classification and regression in machine learning?
That is a fantastic question, and it gets right to the core of what we're about to discuss.
Okay, let's unpack this right now because they are two sides of the same coin.
They're both examples of supervised learning, meaning the machine is trained with a labeled answer key.
Think about what that means. You're not just passively listening to content, you're having a conversation with your own research. That is a completely new way to learn. Next, flashcards. Now I know what you're thinking. Flashcards aren't new, but the way NotebookLM generates them is different. Click on flashcards, hit more, and set the difficulty level to hard. Here's the key step most people miss. You can actually prompt it to focus on a specific subtopic within your material. So if you're studying machine learning and you want to drill down specifically on neural networks or supervised learning, just type that in before you generate. NotebookLM will produce high-quality targeted flashcards pulled directly from your sources, not from generic internet definitions. These are flashcards built from the exact material you've been studying. The accuracy and relevance is on a completely different level. Now, slide deck. Click on slide deck. Select detailed deck, choose your language, and hit generate. What comes back is a fully structured, professional presentation on your topic. Clean layouts, logical flow, key concepts broken down slide by slide. The kind of deck that would take you hours to build manually. And here's what makes it genuinely useful. You can edit it directly inside NotebookLM. You don't have to export it and reformat everything in PowerPoint. Just type your instruction. Something like change the background color to white, or make the introduction slide more concise. And it updates instantly. This alone is worth the entire setup we've done today. And finally, the one that still surprises me every time I use it. Video overview. Click on it, choose a style that fits your topic, and hit generate. NotebookLM will produce a complete video overview of everything you've studied. Structured, visual, narrated, built entirely from your source material. You started this process with a handful of YouTube videos, blog posts, and research papers. And now, at the end of it, you have an audio podcast, a set of flashcards, a professional slide deck, and a full video overview. All generated automatically, all accurate to your sources, all completely free. That is the full power of NotebookLM's Studio panel, and most people have never even opened it.